Stanzas to Jessy by Lord Byron. There is a mystic thread of life, so dearly wreathed with mine alone, that destiny's relentless knife at once must sever both or none. There is a form on which those eyes have fondly gazed with such delight, by day that form the joy supplies, and dreams restored through the night. There is a voice whose tones inspire such softened feelings in my breast, I would not hear a Seraph Choir unless that voice could join the rest. There is a face whose blushes tell affection's tale upon the cheek, but pallid at our fond farewell proclaims more love than words can speak. There is a lip which mine has pressed, but none had ever pressed before. It vowed to make me sweetly blest, that mine alone should press it more. There is a bosom all my own, has pillowed off this aching head, a mouth which smiles on me alone, an eye whose tears with mine are shed. There are two hearts whose moments thrill in unison so closely sweet, that pulse to pulse responsive still, they both must have or kiss to beat. There are two souls whose equal flow in gentle streams so calmly run, that when they part, they part. Oh no, they cannot part. Those souls are one.